Hey y'all, it's your boy Bree back at it again with the makeup tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to get this extra but not too extra glowy makeup look. I had a really fun time filming this, talking to myself, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's hop on into the video. Look who pushes on her bed. It's me. Okay, so being the really oily skin person that I am, I already put on my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer just because I don't want to, I don't want to be that dewy, but we're going to see how this works out. So I'm going to start with the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Moonlight, and I just have like the little baby size. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on the back of my hand and mix it with my foundation using this like really gross brush that I used to scrape the foundation out of the last bottle that I had. Okay, so I haven't done this before, but this is about how much. It was 2 like dropper fulls. Pour some sugar on me in the name of love. Mix it all together and you know you got the best of both worlds. Alright, so I'm gonna spread that on using that brush. Whew, she's thick. Okay, so once we've got that lovely base chilling out, I'm gonna blend that in with a beauty blender. So there's gonna be like a lot of weird reflect on my face. That's fun. Okay, then real quick, I'm just gonna go do the rest of my base and eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is gonna be a relatively simple look since I do want to focus more on like the glowy skin aspect. So I'm just gonna be taking the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette, and I'm gonna go in with shade, I think this is Fancy Face, this little light brown here as my transition. I'm just gonna like pop that right there. Right here. Because I actually have somewhere to go today. Are you proud? I'm pretty proud of me. I must never have somewhere to go. And then for a little more dimension in my crease and for my outer V, I'm going to take this darker brown shade down here in the corner. And I'm just going to, do what I do. Okay, and for my lids today, I'm going to be using the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in shade Rose Gold Retro. And what I like to do when I apply this is just use the little dofa applicator that it comes with, and I kind of like sort of cut the crease and then semi-blend it into like my outer V shade, and then I'll take a brush and I'll actually blend it after that, and I'll show you what I mean right here. And if you can tell, it's not like blended, and then while it's still wet, I'll take a fluffy brush and just kind of blend the edges a little. Okay, and since I want a little bit more dimension, because I'm feeling a little too basic right now, I'm gonna take this dark brown here from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just put that in my outer V to kind of deepen it up a little bit. It was just a bit more, So you wanted to keep this natural, and here I have glitter on my eyes, so yikes. Okay, and then real quick, I'm just gonna pop on some mascara and inner eyeliner waterline thing. Yeah, that. And I'll be right back. Okay, this idiot forgot to do her under eyes, so real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And for the outer half, I'm gonna take that Jaclyn Hill, that darker brown. And then the inner, I'm gonna use that Stila liquid eyeshadow again. Sorry, I suck at everything. Okay, so I went ahead and did my bronzer / contour off camera with the Hoola, like I always do. And I'm gonna go in now with blush, and from that Tarte Blush Bazaar, I'm gonna use shade Extraordinary. It's like pink with a little bit of a shimmer in it. And I think it will go really well with this like glowy, was supposed to be natural but now has glitter look. Okay, and then for our pretty much most important part of this look, highlighter. So I'm gonna go in with the Benefit High Beam. It's like this liquid highlighter, and liquid highlighters kind of scare me, so we're gonna see how it goes. But I'm gonna do like 3 little just dots on the side of my face, and then I'm gonna take my trusty beauty blender and blend that in. Alright, turns out you have to work quicker than that. It dries a little bit fast. It's a little more subtle, which is usually not my thing, but we're layering, don't you worry, honey child, we're layering. So then on top of that Benefit High Beam, I'm going to take this Bobbi Brown, I believe it's the Mini Shimmer Brick Compact, yeah. So it's a shimmer brick. And I'm just going to kind of ignore the browns in here because, you know, your girl's pale and that's not going to work out. So I'm going to take my brush that I always use for highlighter. It's this Morphe brush that, again, I don't know the name of because it doesn't have a name on it. And I'm just going to kind of mix together those top 2 shades and go to town. Just get a little more oomph. There we go, that's what I am talking about. We are glowy. Okay, and for layups, I'm gonna be taking the Kylie matte liquid lipstick in the shade Angel and the Kylie gloss in the shade Cupid, and just putting that on my lips. Okay, is that redder pink than expected? Can we not do that? Okay, let's try that again. That pink was way too bright. So I'm gonna instead take the Jeffree Star liquid lip in Chrysanthemum, and then that Kylie gloss, same Kylie, that same Kylie gloss on top of it, because I do really like that gloss. It's really pretty. Okay, set and spray. Okay, and that is it for our extra but not too extra glowing makeup look today. I hope you guys liked it. I know there were like a few hiccups along the way, but you know, makes it more fun for me sitting here talking to my phone every day by myself, so you know, yay for that. Oh my god, this lipstick really just wants to get all over my teeth. Let's like not, maybe I need to talk better, I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys had a, you know, good time hanging out with me, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Studio Girl has got her life so together right now. I came up with a name for this look before I filmed the outro and intro. I made my bed. I'm leaving the house. Things should just go on my way for once in life, and now I'm probably gonna regret saying that because something's gonna go horribly wrong.